In this quick guide, I'm going to show you how you can join Discord group Steal a Raw. So let's get started. First, you wanted to open up the Roblox. So just search here like Steal a Brainrot. And that's what you wanted to go. So tap there, then swipe down, and you guys should see Discord icon over there. So tap on your Discord icon and hit on continue. And this should take you to Discord application, and you should see the pop-up. So you can basically now accept the invite. So if this method doesn't work for you, you can still use a browser here, and I'm going to give you a link on my description. So go ahead and copy that link and then simply paste that link. This is a link right now I'm pasting. So tap and go, then simply tap on accept invite. This will open up the Discord app once again. So to join, tap on accept invite, and there you go. You are now officially joined on Discord Steal a Brainrot. So this is how you should join Steal a Brainrot on Discord, and it's that simple. See you guys next one. Peace.